Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I will share two methods you can apply to disable USB ports on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop. So let's start with our first method. So in the first method, you have to just right click on this Windows icon, right click on it, then click on Device Manager. This will show you all the drivers you have in your system. Click on the last option, Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Now you have to disable all the USB drivers by right click on it, then click on Disable Device. Click on Yes. Do the same thing, disable all the USB drivers one by one. Now after disabling all the USB drivers, cut this window and then restart your system, and this will disable all the USB ports you have in your system. Now move on to the next method you can apply. Again, right click on this Windows icon, then click on this Run option. Now here you have to type a command. Type this command, then click on OK. This will open this kind of a window. Now on the left side, click on this Administrative Templates, expand this folder, then click on System, expand this folder. Now scroll down and click on this option, Removable Storage Access. After that, on the right side, you will see this option, All Removable Storage Classes, Deny All Access. So you have to right click on it, then click on Edit. This will open this kind of window. Now you have to enable this option. Select Enable, then click on Apply, then click on OK. That's it. Now cut this window and restart your system. So these are the two methods you can apply to disable USB ports. This is all for the video. Thank you.